Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change your Behance URL. First, log into your account. Once in, on the top right corner, click on your profile icon. Now, on the top right again, go to your profile's settings. Here, it will ask you to verify your identity. So just go ahead and continue with it. Now, select your accounts. Once verified, you can now access your account information where you'll have the option to change your Behance URL. So just go and click on the edit button beside it. Now, you can change it as you want. So just go type in the URL that you want for your accounts. Once done, just go and hit on the apply button. Now, a confirmation pop-up will appear, so just go and click on the OK button to confirm. Now, as you can see, your Behance URL is now changed. You can now go back to your account dashboard. Then for here, if you click on your profile icon, you will now see that your URL is now changed to the one that you just created. And that's just basically it. That's how you change Behance URL. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.